Back in the day, video games were a massive part of my childhood. And when YouTube burst on the scene in 2005, it was like a whole new world opened up for gamers. People were showcasing insane skills, breaking records left and right, and it was a time where the gaming community just exploded and grew at an exponential rate. And that is exactly where I discovered the world of speedrunning. Now, speedrunning is not just about playing games fast, it's about bending the rules, using hacks, and exploiting glitches to shatter records. And that got me thinking, what if I could take a page out of the speedrunning playbook and apply it to my business? So today, I'm going to attempt to find a profitable product and a supplier that could potentially 10x my revenue this month. And if I don't, I could be out of pocket. Just think of it like trying to beat a video game record, but in the world of Amazon. And who knows, maybe we could start a little speedrunning community of our own. So let's start the challenge.
Alright, so let's get going. Now, in the interest of speed, because I'm looking to do this quickly and find profitable opportunity in a very short space of time, I'm going to be leveraging one of my favorite sourcing techniques called deal aggregator sourcing. Now, what we do is we go to a website like this one right here that we call deal aggregator sites. This one in particular is slickdeals.net, where they just essentially aggregate deals that are available or discounted products, things like that have been shared by consumers with each other. Again, not specifically for us as resellers, but we utilize it for that purpose. Been shared with the community to basically highlight discounted products and great deals out there. But like I said, we use this as a means of being able to look at a large amount of deals in a very short space of time. So I've not done any preparation work for this. We're literally just going to hit the website here and see what we can find. And the reason it's super quick is because there's lots and lots and lots of things on here. So what I'm looking for are products from branded products primarily. I want small, lightweight, don't want anything big and heavy like a guitar, plus that's open box anyway. I'm going to have a little look through here and see what we can find, see if there's anything with a big enough discount from a retailer that we could use to resell for a profit. Another big guitar, some sneakers there. We could look at sneakers, but the reason I'm going to avoid it for this video is, again, speed. They take a little while longer to analyze when we're looking at clothing and shoes because you've got lots of different sizes and color combinations. Now we have this one here, Quantum Error, $50 down to 13, so we can take a look at that. So what we're going to do is pull that up on the source website, which it looks like is Woot, which has featured on one of our more recent videos as well. But again, in the interest of speed, we're looking to go straight to the low-hanging fruit with this deal aggregator sourcing methodology. $12.99, in fact, that looks like a lower price than what it was, only a cent lower, so it's not too crazy. Now, in order to look this up on Amazon, Woot allows us to grab the ASIN, because it's actually an Amazon company, you may or may not be aware of that, so that we can really quickly match it up to the exact same product on Amazon. So there it is, $36.99 is the current sale price on Amazon, which is great to see that we can buy it for like less than half, quite a bit under half of what we can actually sell it for. So what we do now is we have this tool called BuyBot Pro. It's a Chrome extension essentially, it's sitting on my browser, and I can utilize it to work out how much profit I'd make if I were to buy this product from Woot and resell it on Amazon for a profit. So I enter my cost price into the buy price box here. It's pulled in from what we call the buy box. Now $36.99 is the current asking price. So $12.99 purchase price and $36.99 sell price, we'd be looking to profit $13.49, which is more than doubling our money. We get 103% return on our investment, essentially growing our money by 100%. So not only do we get back the $12.99 that we originally invested, but we also get back $13.49 in profit. We can see how many times per month the product is selling. It's estimated to do 63 sales over the next 90 days. So that's fantastic. We can do very, very well with that. And if we want to just see a breakdown of like, why is there a difference of $13.49 in terms of profit when the difference between $12.99 and $36.99 is wider? Well, that's because we've got fees to pay Amazon. And you might be wondering about postage, shipping, and all that kind of stuff. Well, it's all taken into account by this tool. So under here where it says total costs, so you can see the referral fee, that's Amazon's commission. They're going to charge us a commission for selling on their platform. So that's them doing all the advertising for us, taking care of everything so that we don't have to. $5.55. Closing fee is $1.80. Storage fee is 1 cent. 1 measly cent. Like I'd said, we use Amazon's FBA service to actually store, pick, pack, and ship our products on our behalf when they sell, which means we don't have to get involved in that, which also means that you can do this remotely. It's not location independent. You do not have to store these products in your home or in your office. They can literally be sold and dispatched from anywhere in the world. So 1 cent is for 1 single month storage. So if it were to sit in the fulfillment center for longer, it's going to cost you 1 cent a month, which, yeah, I think we can not worry too much about that. Fulfillment fee. So this is the cost for Amazon to pick it, pack it, and ship it to your customer on your behalf. They'll also cover all of the customer service or returns or anything like that after the fact. They take care of everything. So the total cost for Amazon allowing you to sell this on their platform and actually storing it there and shipping it to your customer on your behalf is $10.51. Now the great thing about this is none of these fees are payable up front. We pay, it's like a pay as you go. So you pay as you store, so once it's been in there for a month or more, then you pay storage. Once the sale has been made, they'll charge you the referral fee and they'll charge you the fulfillment fee. So all you have to do is buy it and get it sent in. So we love that. Those are the costs as they work out. So that's one product that we've found. Now, if we wanted to continue on with this, let's head back over to Slick Deals and see if there's anything else. Because no doubt, like normally when I come here, I'm able to find a number of profitable opportunities that we can get straight into. So we have another couple of different ones here. This one is from Amazon themselves. It's a whole nother strategy we call Amazon Flips. There's another video game here from Woot.com. So we can go ahead and check that one out as well. All right, so it looks like it's available both in the Xbox and PlayStation 5. PlayStation 5 has more reviews, so I'm going to roll with that one first. We're going to grab the ASIN and look it up. So you can see how in a very short space of time we're able to, once you get into a bit of a rhythm for it, you can find these quite quickly. $14.99. So we've already got one profitable deal in the bag. Let's see if we can get another. So I see here the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X, both console variations are the same price, so we can profit from this one. We can profit from the Xbox version as well. So we can make $5.54 profit, grow our money by just shy of 37%. Wonderful. No doubt we could be able to do the exact same with the Xbox Series X version, since we can buy it from the same supplier or same source for the same price. So that's also great. So there's 3 deals in the bag, and we'll find one more just before we finish up this video. Again, just to show you how quickly this can be done. And again, I did not research this before we jumped on here. Literally just got straight in and had a look. But this is something that I would do on a daily basis. And the reason I do it daily is so that we are up to scratch with what's new. I get to see what was there. I'll know what was there yesterday because I already checked. I'll recognize deals from yesterday, and it speeds up the process when I'm coming back day after day to look for new profitable opportunities. All right, there's another deal on here. It looks like it's just going to be a day for Woot, which honestly, this is where I originally found this supplier, this source to buy from using Slick Deals. So this deal is actually expired, which is a shame, but there we go. That's how it works. This is kind of real, up-to-date stuff that's happening as we go. So we never really know what's going to happen. So there's another one here from Woot. There we go. It is just a Woot day, but this tends to happen. What you'll find is you'll come on this on the deal aggregator site on one day, and there'll just be a whole bunch of new deals that have just been launched, and so they'll make their way onto deal aggregator sites so that we're able to find them right away. So let's have a little look. This is also available in 2 different platforms, PlayStation 5, Xbox One. Looks like Xbox One has got more reviews, so we'll roll with that. Go ahead and grab the ASIN from the URL bar. Okay, so we can buy it for $19.99. The current sale price is $39.99. This should net a positive profit for us. So we can make $6.31, our return on investment, growing our money by 31.5%. Sales volume is pretty good, selling for $39. So whilst we're here, let's have a little look at the PlayStation 5 version of it, because the exact same game is available in a different platform, but it's selling for less money. So the Xbox version would win in that case.
Okay everyone, so what I just showcased in this video was one of the 9 what we call sourcing techniques that we use to find profitable products to resell on Amazon. If you want to learn more about how we do what we do, then I'd encourage you to go into the description and click the link, which is going to take you to a free training where Stephen Summers and I are going to break down this business model step by step and show you exactly how it works. Click the link below, go get yourself on that training, and we look forward to seeing you on our next video.